So today we're down in the workshop. We're doing some props for a job that we've got supporting a big 3-story timber frame building, and we're going to do his videos a little bit differently now because, to be honest, the others were taking ages to edit down and sort out. So we're just going to do them a bit more crude, a bit more bloggy style, if you will. So yeah, what we're doing, we're in the workshop. We've got some props that we're working on. We've got to support a 3-story building, and there's 2 big massive posts, probably about 14 inch by 14 inch. It's all oak frame is this, big huge posts, and what we've got to do is put some steels underneath them and then get some pit props to jack it up. Now these are weight bearing posts that we're going to try and support, so what we're going to do is we're going to chop away half the post and put the one steel in, 2 props, and then chop away the other half of the post and then put the other steel in and the other props. The problem was that we found we couldn't get the props small enough and how we wanted them, so we've butchered some pit props up basically. We've had some brackets laser cut and we're going to put it all back together. So here we go, we've got the props here. I think there's 8 of them all together, and we've just got these little pit props, and this is how they come, and basically comes with these ends on. They kind of got these little spikes on that bite into the timber works when you use them as shoring props. These obviously went on there. So what I did, just lobbed them off with the chop saw. Got a nice clean straight cut on there. They're no good. So we've got these plates made up, had them laser cut up here in good old Burnley. So we've got a big stack of them, and what we're going to do basically now is weld these on there, because we were using, this is an offcut of the steels that we're using, and as you can see, when we put these on here, we've no way of connecting this to this R-beam, and as well we haven't got enough size on there, so they're scrap. These are going to go on. We've had some M10 holes laser cut into them, so these will sit on the R-beams like this. This is actually upside down, the R-beams going on the top. We'll mark these up on site and drill them, and then we'll put some M10 bolts between the plates and the strut, and if you will, the strut's going to sit like that, but the other way around. And then what we've got to do, we're getting some oak sleepers, because we need to make these, spread the weight for these posts. So we've got some oak sleepers. So again, this plate will sit on there. We'll get some stainless corkscrews, put some stainless corkscrews in there. So this will actually be the bottom. The prop will sit on there like that, and then we're going to have another one which will go up on top there, and then there's our beams going up on top of that, and that's how it's going to look. So what we need to do is get all these plates welded on now. Now I've just marked up all these plates. We need to get these pit balls somewhere in the centre of them plates. So I've just put some lines on. These ones about 40mm, and it slightly overlaps on each side. But what we'll do is we'll just get it, within a couple of mil, and get them buzzed on. one last one now. So we've just got, we'll just go through this one. So all I've been doing basically is just positioning the poles, centre of the plates, and then just trying to find out where a few of them have just been ever so slightly off centre. So go attack on this back side. And then we'll just throw this square on now. Yeah, we're right there now, so we'll just get this welded up. Brilliant job done. Last one that. Here we go, we've got them all done now. So all we need to do, put them all back together. That's it now, all done, all welded up. Pretty decent little things. Like you see, you can't buy these off shelf. It's just something you've got to make and kind of come up with an idea and just make it work. So yeah, we'll get a video up when we're sticking them in, and you can see how they all go together.